Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making twice baked potatoes in the air fryer. So we need is potatoes, sour cream, butter, cheddar cheese, and bacon bits. So first we're going to bake potatoes in the air fryer, and then we're going to stuff them and bake them again. So they're twice baked potatoes. We bake them 2 times. So first we'll just make regular baked potatoes. I'm going to pierce them with a fork so they don't explode. And I already washed them before making the video. And I will bake them in the air fryer. Now if you want to save time, you can cook them in a microwave or cook them any way you like. Because air fryer does take longer to bake, but they have amazing texture baked potatoes. So I do actually like baking them in the air fryer. Let's open the air fryer basket. Put the potatoes in the air fryer basket. So for 2 potatoes, the cooking time in the air fryer is 40 minutes. So I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll set the time to 40 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking the potatoes, so I will take them out. So here are baked potatoes, and now I'm going to cut them in half. And I will scoop out the inside and put it in a bowl. So just scoop them out and keep the shell intact, because we're going to stuff them back in the potato shell. Perfect. Now I'm ready to add other ingredients. So now I'm going to mash these potatoes and add sour cream, butter, cheddar cheese, and bacon bits, and also salt and pepper. So I will add a little sour cream, butter, cheddar cheese, and bacon bits, and also add a little bit of salt and pepper. And now mash it until it's all combined. And now once I mashed it, I'm going to put it back on the potato skins. So I'm just going to divide into 4 parts and put them back to stuff the potatoes. And now let's put the stuffed potatoes back in the air fryer. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these twice baked potatoes. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. They look so delicious. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Look at that nice fluffy texture. They taste as good as they look. Amazing. You're going to love making twice baked potatoes in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!